Always and forever. Even though he locked you in a coffin for 90 years?
We're vampires. Our emotions are heightened. I'm stubborn. Elijah, moral, and Nick. Nick has no tolerance for those who disappoint him. Over 1,000 years as a family, we've all made that mistake at least once. I've made it several times.
But you still love him?
He's my brother. And I'm immortal. Should I spend an eternity alone instead?
If you be my star, I'll be your sky. You can hide underneath me and come out at night. When I turn jet black and you show off your light, I live to let you shine. I live to let you shine. But you can skyrocket.
I know what he did, and he'll pay for it with his life. But Nick was not born a killer. None of us were. You did this to us when you turned us into vampires.
With more room to fly, just leave me your stardust to remember you by. If you be my boat, I'll be your sea. A depth of pure blue just to probe curiosity.
You destroyed our family.
Flowing and pushed by a breeze. I live to make you free. I live to make you free.
Rebekah, it's your big brother. Come out, wherever you are.
Go to hell, Nick.